my hairband cute? 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 Oops. My expensive serum. I'm gonna be using 2 green tea, mirror face toothpaste, and I need more green tea. This is how it is looking right now. I feel like eating it. While I'm applying this, I already feel like, you know, that freshness. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel YBAA Vlogs. And yes guys, if you guys don't know me, then I'm YBAA Vlogs and I do daily vlogs and I do sometimes fun challenges with my husband, and sometimes I do mukbang, sometimes skincare, and sometimes a little bit of haul. I just want to do a different kind of videos, like which is very fun and like which you guys will love it as well. And yes guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. And yes guys, and probably from the title you must have guessed what I'm doing today. So yeah guys, I'm doing a DIY green tea face mask today. I'm gonna be using only 3 ingredients, that is green tea, and the second is yogurt, and the third is honey. Yes guys, I'm not sure like whether this DIY mask will work on your skin or not, because everyone have different kind of skin. But yeah guys, it has probably worked on my skin, and I do once a week. And yes guys, I feel a lot of changes on my skin and I love it very much. That's why I wanted to share a few tips on a DIY face mask which you can make at home easily, and it's cheap as well. So yeah, before starting, let me put my hairband. Isn't my hairband cute? 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 Okay. Sorry. Let's start with the video. First, take a bowl and a flat brush like this so that it will be easy to use mask, DIY mask. And I'm gonna be using 2 green tea, mirror face toothpaste, and I need more green tea. So yeah guys, let's cut this out. So yeah guys, here's our 2 bags of green tea, and I'm going to cut it. And yes guys, I'm gonna pour it here. And after this, I'm gonna be adding honey. I'm gonna add 1 spoon of honey, pure honey. It says pure honey, Australian, 100% Australian pure honey. So yeah, 1 spoon of honey. Now the third one, I'm gonna be using a pure yogurt, and I'm gonna be using a 1 spoon of yogurt. And this is how it looks right now. And let's stir it up. So yes guys, you must be wondering, I know, why I use these 3 ingredients and why not the other one. So yes guys, let me start. So what green tea does is, green tea helps you from the skin irritation and damage from UV rays and premature aging and acne marks and all. And even if you have redness or skin irritation, it helps you heal it. And what does honey do is, it helps you open the pores and remove the dirt, and it helps you moisturize your skin as well, and it makes you feel smooth, and it helps you for acne as well. And what yogurt does is, it tightens your skin, it helps you in the acne, it helps in the whitening of your skin, it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles of your face, and it helps to moisturize our skin. So yeah, this is how it works. And now this is how it is looking right now. I feel like eating it, but I don't want to eat. So yeah, before starting, let me cleanse my face with the toner, and we are ready to apply. Oh, I think I should grab a mirror. So yeah, here it comes with cute little mirror. So yes guys, now I'm ready to apply the DIY face mask, which I'm gonna take it like this and the brush and apply on my skin. So yes guys, I just want to say, how's the coronavirus thing going on in your area? Please comment down. Currently I'm in Melbourne, and Melbourne still it's going on, like day by day it's like 300 or 400 new cases, and it's very scary. So everyone, please wear a mask, maintain social distance, and sanitize your hand and wash your hands frequently. If this continues, then yes, the world is gonna be scary. While I'm applying this, I already feel like, you know, that freshness on my skin. Yes guys, please don't forget to subscribe YBAA Vlog. I need your support to grow my YouTube channel so that I can make funny and useful and happy videos. So yes guys, this is how you apply it. Let me show you the close-up. So this is how I'm looking right now, and yeah, let it sit for 15 minutes and we're gonna rinse with lukewarm water, and yes, let's see the difference later. So yes guys, it's been 15 minutes now. Now let's go to the washroom and rinse it up later. So yes guys, I'm back after washing my face. Now let's tap it up and make it dry. So yes guys, this is how my skin is looking right now. Now I'm gonna use the serum. Ooh, my expensive serum really. And scrub it out that. So yes guys, I'm using this Edible Beauty by Australia, I know this serum, yeah, which means like you can't keep for a which doesn't mean कि अब खाऊँ हैन, तर खाए पनि त्यस्तो फरक पर्दैन कि भन्न खोजेको त्यस्तो हार्मफुल प्रोडक्ट्सहरु युज गरेको छैन अनि केमिकल्सहरु त्यो युज गरेको छैन, त्यही भएर. And second, I'm gonna be using my favorite Tatcha cream, moisturizing cream, with the golden spoon. Take it like this, and yes. And yes guys, this moisturizing cream is one of my favorite. And this is how you put it, guys. Spoon is steady so that you won't lost it. Now let's gently moisturize it. If you do it like this, तपाईँको फेस चाहिँ wrinkle बस्दैन अरे कि. अब wrinkle यस्तै फेस झर्छ नि त, अनि यसले लिफ्ट गर्छ कि यस्तै गरेर. Do it to my ex. So yeah guys, this is how my skin's looking right now. So yes guys, this is it for today's video, and I hope you all like my DIY creative face mask, and I hope you all will try it as well. It's very easy and it's very beneficial for your skin. Hope you all will try it. And yes guys, if you guys love my video, then please subscribe, like and comment, and keep loving YBAA vlogs. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.